Hello everyone, I invite you to the Friday cryptocurrency review. Let's start by checking the current situation on the BTC pair to USDT, taking into account the one-day interval. First, we will use the blue lines to mark the downtrend channel from which the price has gone up. While locally it is worth marking the sideways trend channel in which the BTC price is moving. We will use the trend-based fib extension tool to determine the supports. As we can see now, the first support at $30,049 held the price. However, when it goes lower, the next support is at $29,180. Then the third support at $28,402, and then it is worth marking a very strong zone support from $27,678 to $26,628. Looking the other way, we can determine the places of resistance in a similar way. And here the first resistance at Fibon's golden point is at $31,855, before which the price turns back. However, when it manages to break it, the second resistance is at $33,809 and then the third resistance at $36,250. When we turn on the M across 10 and 30, we can see that it indicates a continuation in the ongoing uptrend. The CHOP index indicates that there is a lot of energy to be used. The MACD indicator indicates a downtrend. And we can see a rebound on the RSI, but we are still in the upper part of the range, which may give the price a rebound. As the second chart in today's review, we'll be looking at ETH versus USDT on a one-day time frame. Using the yellow line, we will mark the uptrend line, which, as we can see, holds the price nicely in corrections. Now let's move on to marking the places of support. We will use the fib retracement tool to mark support. And here in the first place it is worth marking the support zone from $1,845 to $1,662. However, when the price drops below, we can see a return to a very strong support zone from $1,363 to $1,150. Looking the other way, we can also mark the places where the price should encounter resistance on the way to increases. And here we have the first very strong resistance at the price of $2,237, before which the price once again turned back. The next resistance is at the price of $2,552, and then the third resistance at the price of $3,007. When we turn on the EMA across 50 and 200, we can see the place of transition into a strong uptrend and how far the price stays in this trend. The CHOP index indicates that we have a lot of energy to use. The MACD indicator is in an uptrend. On the other hand, we have a rebound on the RSI. However, looking at the fact that we are in the upper part of the range, the price may go down to a lower level. As the third one, we will check the BNB chart as before on a one-day timeframe. As we can see after defining the uptrend line, the price has fallen slightly below, but remains close to this line. Let's start by marking the support areas for the price, and we see that first we have a support zone from 45 cents to 42 cents, which is holding the price so far, but if the zone is broken, the next support is at 39 cents. Looking the other way, we can similarly determine the places of resistance that the price has to face. And here we see that the price is currently bouncing off the 48 cents resistance. Then we can mark a resistance zone from 51 cents to 52 cents. And a second very strong zone from 54 cents to 57 cents. The CHOP index indicates that a lot of energy has been collected. The MACD is struggling to return to the uptrend, while the RSI has a further rebound, which may positively affect the change of the price direction to an upward one. The last one in today's chart is the SOL chart against USDT. First, we will use the blue lines to mark the downtrend channel where the price is moving in the upper range. Going further, we can move on to marking support areas when the price starts a correction. And here the first strong support is at $19.91. Then we have a very strong support zone from $17.66 to $15.39, and then support at $12.17. Looking the other way, we see that the price has reached an important resistance zone from $21.69 to $24.06, which so far has no strength to break. However, if it manages to break above the resistance zone, the next resistance will appear at the price of $27.15. Please take a look at the CHOP index. We see that most of the energy has been used in the current uptrend. The MACD confirms the ongoing uptrend, while the RSI has a clear uptrend which could give the price a correction in the coming time. Technical analysis is provided by a third party, and for informational purposes only. It does not reflect the views of CryptoDaily, nor is it intended to be used as legal, tax, investment, or financial advice.